Hello, sweet friends. Welcome into Mud's Closet. I want to do a quick, or maybe not quick, unboxing of this mystery box that I got from Scrapteria. I've seen them online, and we have a place here in town that has them. I know she ships if there's still some there. It's graphic 45. It's $50 and it's $180 value. One of the things that I like so much about this mystery box is that they have labels on them. There was an assortment number 1. This is assortment number 2. And there was one that was labeled seasonal. So you could buy multiple mystery boxes if you wished and choose them to not receive duplicates, I'm told. I don't know that from my own experience, but that makes sense that they would have a different label on them. So let's take a look. These are beautiful 12 by 12 wedding collection pack. And these are double-sided, which I'm kind of excited about. I don't have much double-sided, and I really like this. I'm not intending to take everything out of the package and go page by page. If you'd like a longer video, leave me a comment and I am happy to do that. But I especially love the ephemera pages. And while this is kind of wedding-ish, it's really more about love. So it can be used in a lot of different places. This, the other thing that I love about this box is that there's things that go together. So, for example, there's this collection called Sunshine on My Mind. It's very summery. There's lots of watermelon, and I love the pink and green together. It looks like there are some really cool cut-aparts. So there's this 12 by 12 double-sided collection. Then there's these chipboard stickers, cardstock sticker set it's called, from the same collection. I love the bicycle. Then there are these Sunshine on My Mind tags and frames from the same collection. So a lot of times in surprise boxes, what I found is that they're more mishmash odds and ends. And here with this one, we even have an 8x8 pad from Sunshine on My Mind. So I guess it's great that I love this collection so far. I mean, I love watermelon and bikes and summertime and strawberries, and I love the colors. So to have all of these, the truth is an 8x8, a 12 by 12, the frames and the cardstock stickers, this would be more than $50 in this store. So everything else is gravy. Some glitter paper, which I really like glitter paper, and I like gold. This will probably become ephemera. There's some 8x8s, Steampunk Spells is the name of this one. And it looks a little Halloween-y. It could be Halloween-y or not. And I do really like steampunk. There's also no, that's not it. But this is Mon Amour. Let's do this one. This is really thick. There's a lot of papers in here. I don't know how many. Three sheets of all 8 12 by 12 double-sided paper. So this is 24 sheets of double-sided paper. That's a huge pack. There's stickers to go with it. These feel like chipboard, and I would say they are, judging by the back. Some of these tags are great. I really have a thing about tags and chipboard. And there's an 8x8 pad of that same pattern. To be honest, I don't love people in the things that I do, but this is a great way for me to kind of maybe build a little affection for putting people in things. This is a Steampunk Spells. This is a 8x8 of, oh, I already showed you that, sorry. Mother Goose 8x8 pad. These are, I love this, some rub-on transfers of that Sunshine on My Mind. There's a lot of that in this kit. I love that there's no duplicates in the kit, but there's a variety of the same. 2 sheets it looks like. 1 in a melon, that's cute. A little popsicle stick to do the transferring. And this is an 8x8 of P.S. I Love You. This goes with, there was a 12x12 of these when I first opened. So honestly, I'm happy with this. I love that there are pieces of the same color story, which I don't know if that's the right languaging or not, but that's what I use. So there are 2 pieces here of the P.S. I Love You. There's the Mother Goose, 8x8. She's by herself. That's cute. Three pieces of the Mon Amour. That's going to be fun. And it looks like there are some good pieces to do some fussy cutting with to make some ephemera. The glitter card stock. 1 8x8 of the Steampunk. And it does look like there's some cut aparts in there to make some ephemera with. And then the big winner in the box was the Sunshine on My Mind set with frames and an 8x8 and a 12x12 and some cardstock stickers and the rub-on transfers. That's I'm happy with that. If you've had one of these Graphic 45 boxes, leave me a note. Let me know what you thought, what you got in it, if you liked it, if it was worth it to you. I do know there's still some of these at the store at Scrap Mania. You can just ask for a Graphic 45 mystery box and they'll ship. And let me know what other mystery boxes you've had in paper crafting or junk journaling. And have a great day. Thanks for watching.